Well, welcome back to the kitchen. Told y'all this, I'm making 3 videos today in the kitchen. Then I'm going upstairs and try to sew. And got our fingers crossed our power won't go off because we're supposed to we got a little bit of snow, then we got some freezing rain, and now we're not getting anything, and hopefully we're not going to get any more ice, and then it'll just turn to rain and we'll keep our power and everything. Fingers crossed, y'all. So the mister has been asking for this bread for, I don't know, a while now. So I'm gonna make it ham and cheese bread, but I'm gonna make a plain loaf and a ham and cheese loaf, because while I'm making it I might as well mix up 2 loaves. So we are going to start with 7 cups of flour, bread flour. I should have had this measured out for you all, but you know, I didn't. And you know, like I said, it's snowing, so y'all just come sit in where it's warm and watch me make bread. I just heard from one of my subscribers that's up further north than I am that said they were supposed to get ice later. Hopefully they will not get any and they will keep their power. I've got my fingers crossed for them. Okay, I'm at 3. Are y'all counting? Four. 5. 6. 7. There's our 7 cups of flour. We need 2 teaspoons of salt. This is a half a teaspoon, so you know, we'll go in with 2 of them. Is that right? No, I need 4 teaspoons. It says 1 teaspoon if I'm doubling it. I need 2, so that's 4 halves. That makes sense, right? I think that makes sense. I need 2 tablespoons of yeast. Well, there's 1. There's 2. 2 tablespoons of yeast. And now I need 3 cups of warm water. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this salt and yeast in with this bread. In with this flour to get it incorporated. And then we'll get us some warm water. 3 cups. There we go, our 3 cups. And I'm just going to start pouring that in there just like this. It's on low. This is a paddle attachment. It is not. This just a little bit. Gotta get it up off the bottom. just a tiny little bit more water in there. Oh goodness, what's she growling at? She hears something, or somebody, or something. Now it looks a little better. This is the way it's supposed to be. I'm just going to beat it up here a little bit. Just so it's all happy. What's she saying?
I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
What is it?
We'll have to go look at it out. I'll come get it. I've never seen it.
What is it? I'll bring them along. What is it?
It's that.
What? All right, y'all, we're over here looking out the window. What do y'all see? She's.
I mean, you didn't see it. You must have got it.
I guess it went away, whatever it was. Because I sure don't see it. She's just growling.
Man, we better go hunt for it. He'll get back fixing my bread. We'll have
Okay.
Coco and I'll have to go hunt for it.
All right, I hope y'all could see whatever it was. All right, we'll get back over here to the bread maker.
Well, I've never seen one.
This is more where we belong. And it's just a nice loaf right now, y'all. All right, they're gonna go check it out, whatever it is, because I didn't see it. Maybe they'll report back to us. All right, we'll get this out because I want to divide this into two loaves. Probably should have used the dough hook, although I usually do not have this much trouble with this bread recipe. But y'all, the weather plays a part in your bread baking. It does. It really does. Okay. There's just a little bit of flour out here. There's Mr. Andy. He's come in to see what all the commotion's about. Turn it down. Turn it down. All right. Alright, y'all, I'm going to divide this in two. Right down the middle. One will be a plain loaf and the other one will be a ham and cheese loaf. So that ham and cheese I'm going to drop right back in there. And this plain loaf right in here. I'm gonna oil this up good. Did y'all find it?
Coco was absolutely no help.
She wasn't. She was the one
She
that
was
saw
scared.
it to begin with.
She was scared. I couldn't tell exactly what it was. It was disappearing down in there, heading toward the creek. It was either Yeti or a pack of wild hogs. I'm not sure. I couldn't get it was one of those.
Oh Lord. Okay, y'all heard me. It's either a Yeti or a pack of wild hogs.
Wild hogs. I don't see very many.
No, you don't.
Now Yeti, I mean, but those wild hogs.
Okay, I'm gonna set this over here on the stove where it's warm. Okay, I got that one sitting over there. Now then, this one, I'm gonna change this out and put the dough hook on here. And then she's got to have a good bath because you got her all messy. Turn that down. This is some of the ham that I cooked, and then I put it in the food processor. And I'm just gonna add in maybe that's about 2 cups. That's, I guess, maybe about 2 cups, 2 handfuls. Well, we'll go with 3. Oh, he's ready for opening day, y'all. He's ready for baseball. I know he's in basketball yet, and he's ready for baseball. That's his thing. He loves baseball. Now this is about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Right into this loaf of bread here. I'm just going to knead it up here. Get all that incorporated in there. I bet he does. There's a little bit of fish up there. You'll have to go get another box if he wants a lot of fish. I don't have a lot of fish up there. There's just a little bit. Well, you know to be careful a little bit more than he does. You know to be a little bit more careful than he does. Okay, here's our bread dough with our ham and our cheese in it. All right, I'm gonna set this over here and let it raise about an hour, hour and a half. And I'm gonna give this mixer, I think I'm gonna call her Betty Blueberry. So Betty's gonna get a bath while that dough is rising. And I'm gonna get all these dishes washed up. First I'm gonna, all right y'all, here's our cake. Look at it, look how it's pulled away from the sides. It's done when it does that. When it does that right there, it's done. Okay? I'm gonna go get the thing and I'm gonna flip it out here in just a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show you our bread. Look at that. Look how it's raised up there and those big air bubbles in it. Oh, yum. Oh, so nice. We're just gonna roll it out here just like this, get all the air out of it. Just kind of pat it out. Turn it all down so you can see. Just patting it out here. Just like this. Then I'm gonna roll it up and put it in the bread pan. loaf number 1. Here is bread pan number 1. There we go. There's one. Let's get the other one. Look at this one. Look how big it is. Get me some little more flour here, because I don't want it to stick. This one is a little more dense because it has the ham and the cheese in it. He's been wanting this ham and cheese bread for some time now, you all. Nice big loaf of ham and cheese bread. It'll be so good for a sandwich. Add more ham and cheese to it, or a grilled cheese sandwich. Yum. Or just to eat with butter. That's yummy too. Okay, there's this one. Alright, I'm going to let these raise again for about another 30-45 minutes till they're doubled. And I'll be back. I just took our bread out of the oven. This is the one with the ham and cheese. I've put butter on top of it to melt. This is our plain loaf over here. Aren't those pretty? Look how pretty. This one I think got too high and maybe fell just a little bit, but they're still very hot. I'll pop them out of that in just a little bit, but they're still hot. Very, very hot. Hot bread. Let's see if I can turn them out right here. I can see over here or not. Come over here. Yeah, I think you can. More around this knife right along here. Let's see if it's stuck. Get it loose a little bit. It's gonna come. It's gonna come right out of there. Look at that. Oh, and it smells so good. Ah, look at those 2 beautiful loaves of bread. Look at that. We're not supposed to cut bread while it's hot, so I'm going to let it cool just a little bit more before we cut it. We'll have it with our supper, okay? There's our bread. Doesn't that look delicious? I've tried it. It is good. Yummy, yummy. Okay. You all remember, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.